Britain, much made of this today, has become now the first Western nation to greenlight a COVID-19 vaccine. Today, the UK granted emergency use authorization for the Pfizer vaccine. So will the US be next? I-Team reporter Brian New took some time to speak to the head of the FDA today to ask that very question.
So the FDA is in the process of reviewing this same vaccine from Pfizer, and a similar authorization could come as early as late next week. But in an interview today, the FDA commissioner said repeatedly that his agency will not cut corners. The drug maker Pfizer says its vaccine is 95% effective. And starting next week, the first shots will be given to healthcare workers in the UK. But FDA Commissioner Hahn says before the vaccine rolls out in the U.S., his agency will do its own review.
So we inspect plants. We inspect clinical sites, we look at the data ourselves, and we number crunch the data ourselves. So we draw our own conclusions from the data.
Dr. Hahn says the FDA is looking at three major components in a vaccine, whether it's safe, whether it's effective, as well as the quality of the vaccine.
Are the good, appropriate standards that the FDA has regarding manufacturing being used so that every vaccine that comes off the product line is of the same high quality every time?
Thursday, December 10th, a panel of independent experts will advise the FDA on the Pfizer vaccine. The FDA could then make a decision shortly thereafter and have the first shipments of the vaccine delivered by mid-December. Frontline workers would be the first to get the shots, with availability for the general public likely by late spring. Hahn says he acknowledges the pressure to move quickly.
But we're not going to allow it to change our processes, which we think, again, which we know, tried and true, and have really kind of met the gold standard around the world for the safety and effectiveness of vaccines.
On Tuesday, Dr. Hahn was summoned to the White House, and while he would not tell us what President Donald Trump told him, he did say that he was happy that he was able to tell the president how passionate he is about the FDA not skipping steps. In Plano, Brian New, CBS 11 News.